Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you all my project which I did with the help of a site known as Pilpul.com, where they are teaching you how to do projects in HTML and CSS. And trust me, it's a very interactive site with lots of assignments and projects which will gain your interest in doing the work. So today my project is about how to create a website and use different tags in it. So here I have used many tags. As you can see, my coding starts here. So first important tag which I used is meta, which is basically used to specify which type of character set we are using. And nowadays the most used character set is UTF-8. Then I have gone for in my website we have a table. We have used a table which is basically containing what are the release years of all the series of Harry Potter. So table is also a tag which we can use to creation of table. Inside table we have a tr tag. Tr tag is used for telling the table row, and td is a tag which is used for telling what are the elements inside table. Then I have used the list tags. Basically list tags will present my data in a form of list. And also I have used here a style tag which is basically used for styling my table and providing it border. Then I have used here M tag. M tag will basically convert my heading into italics. Then going forward, the other important tag which I used is as I told, table, for creation of table. Then next I have used a tag called as iframe tag. Iframe tag is basically, it's used when we want to like embed or insert some other document inside this current website document. Okay, so here I have basically inserted one video which is nothing but the Harry Potter theme song. So that I did with the help of iframe. Then next I used form and select tag. Basically these tags will help me in creating a drop down list. So for creating a drop down list, I use the form and select tab, and in the list we have all the important and main characters of Harry Potter, so the name can be seen there. Then at last I have used a button tag. Button tag basically I have used and connected it with a link, so that whenever a person wants to get more information about Harry Potter, they can just click that button and go to the official Wikipedia site and gain more knowledge about that series. Now when I run this in my browser, so after running it on browser, what we get, the result is this. So this is the website which I created. As you can see, my title is in italics because of the M tag. Then we have an image here. Then you can see we have a list here. Then this is a table which I created with the help of table tag and styled it with the help of style tag. Then you can see I have used the iframe tag to enter this Harry Potter video of the theme music. Then going down, I made use of select and form to make this drop down list of cast, where you can see all the casts which are important casts are mentioned here in the list. Then going down, I have this button. You can see I have this button here. If I click on this, it will take me to the site of Wikipedia, where I can just see all the other informations about Harry Potter. Thank you guys. I hope you would have liked this project, and I'll suggest you to please go ahead and do the course in Pilpul because it's free of cost. So what's better than learning such a nice thing without paying a single penny? Thank you so much.